Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you need to find where the engine starter fuse is located, actually you have two of them and one could be hidden in a place that most people don't even know it exists. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find it, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video, guys. So that will be, guys, our mission to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now, in addition, guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now, why we do that? To save you money, guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So guys, where you can expect to find the engine starter fuse, we'll demonstrate on that generation Ford Fusion, guys, right here. What we need to do, we need to first open the hood, guys, and once you open the hood, here on the driver's side, you see you have that fuse box. Now, we'll need to check two different fuses at two different locations. The first one, remove that cover that looks like a T, and you will see the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing, guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. Here for the starter we need to check one fuse, then we need to go to a hidden fuse box and check one more. The fuse that we're talking about, it's a 25 amp fuse, and that's fuse number 1 right here. Now, guys, if you remove these two notches, pry them open, that fuse box will flip, and on the bottom of that fuse box, on the very bottom, if you flip it, you will see that you have more fuses that look like this one. And here we'll need to check another fuse, specifically it's known as fuse number 84, and we're talking about that fuse right here that you will need to check. So guys, now you need to do something else as well. Okay, now that whole fuse box, now if you remove the whole fuse box, you flip it on the side, okay, you will have another little fuse box with high current fuses that you may need to check, guys, okay, specifically, and we're talking about fuse number 7 right here, okay, that you will need to check for the starter as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.